If you watched my do-it-yourself skimmer video and you wondered, all right, cool, that looks nice, but how did it work actually? Well, worked really well. All right, everyone, I wanted to do a quick update because it's fall and all of the leaves are falling from this monster of a tree. And I felt like I would share a quick update on how my do-it-yourself skimmer has been performing now that we're at the end of the first season of the pond. So as you can see, fish are doing great. Just fed them their breakfast. It's starting to get a little bit chillier at night, and I've got some leaves that are collecting in areas that there's not as much current. Every week or so I'll bend down and pull those out of there. I've got my air stone bubbler there that pushes water this way. I just last night cleaned it for the first time in probably maybe 2.5 months. You can see it pulls things in and keeps them looped, and that's just the leaves. I mean, I was out here at like 10:30 or 11 o'clock last night. Now it's morning, I'm going to work, so it hasn't been that much time, but you can see it's pulling more leaves in. I basically left it alone as long as the current of my fountain wasn't affected. So that was the way that was how I knew I needed to clean it, was that the flow on my fountain had slowed down and it wasn't quite shooting out over the side like that or like that anymore. And then this top part has a nice little upside down bell shape that was starting to dwindle, and it was like a 24-hour period that it went from flowing pretty much full strength, maybe 80% flow, to like 40% flow overnight. And so I knew yesterday that I had to fix it. So I've made a couple of quick changes since my build video that I uploaded a few months back. One of them is that I replaced the thin mesh screen with a piece of actual aquarium filter foam. It's like inch thick, 20 ppi filter foam. I have 2 of those in there, and I had a plant that was up on top of it. I'll show that to you. I just took the plant off of it because the roots had grown through the sponge stuff, and I had this growing in there. It's like one of those aquaponics bucket toppers, and that was resting on top of the screen. There were so many leaves caught in the roots there, but that's probably why it was getting a little bit clogged up, is that those roots had gone all the way down to the bottom and were probably getting caught up in the pump. But anyway, I pulled that off the top because it's fall right now, and this is gonna continue dropping leaves for the next probably 2 more weeks worth of leaf drop. It's a lot. So anyway, the filter is doing great. The skimmer is doing great. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Anyway, that's my update.